And just to clarify, I had selected the Urban Merge letter so that Word pops in these blocks right here, which will enable us later on to personalize each of those hundreds or thousands of letters to each recipient. So that's why these blocks appear right here for you. What we're going to do is we're going to go up here and change some of this information. The book is requesting us to put in our name, our sender's information as Riley Clark. There is no company information. This is page WD33 in the book. So I'm just going to highlight that. I triple clicked actually, and I'm just going to hit delete on my keyboard. I don't want that gap there, so I'm just going to hit delete again on the keyboard to get rid of that spacing. And right in here, I'm going to type in the information, which was the address information, 8982 West Condor Avenue, and that's in Donner, Ohio, and the zip is 44772. Okay, so let's get ready to move on to step 3. Before we can move on to step 3, the instructions in the book are asking us to do a couple of things. They want us to go back over to page layout just to check that our margins are set correctly, and it's a good thing to do. So you click on the page layout tab, and right here you'll see margins. This is the same tab that we went to change our themes. We're going to go to margins. We're just going to select normal, so that way you have your top margin 1 inch from the top, bottom margin 1 inch from the bottom, the left and right margins also 1 inch. And when I select it, you'll probably see the document move slightly. Here we go. There you go. It just popped down a little bit. It seems that the margin may have been set at 0.75. But that's how you fix that. That's how you not so much fix it, but just set it up in a standard way, in a normal way, so that it'll print well and it'll look good on the page. I'm going to jump back over into the mailings tab, and we're going to set up save this file into a folder, and the book is asking us to create a new folder and all that kind of stuff. I know that we've already been through this in class when we got our data files, etc., but let's just have a quick little look again so that you can follow along. I'm just going to go to File and select Save As, and I think they want us to save it as like Clark cover letter. So I'm just going to type that in the file name, Clark cover letter. It must be a cover letter for a resume, something like that. The book asks you to put it on a flash drive. You guys will be putting it on your folder on the school network. For my purposes, I'm just going to drop it onto my desktop. Now, they want us to create a folder, and again, you know, there's a couple of different ways to do this. You could right-click in the in this area and select New, and then select Folder. You'll find in Microsoft Word and Excel and PowerPoint, there's always 2 or 3 ways to do the same thing. Again, up here, here's another option. You can create a new folder right here and give it a name. I think they're wanting to call that folder Job Hunting or something to that effect. Again, you guys would put this into your folder on the school network, maybe in My Completed Work folder that you created. So you have the Clark cover letter. It's going to be sitting inside the Job Hunting folder, and it's in a Word document, and we can just hit Save.